All right, so you already know what today is. It's Sunday, and it's late for me because I need to be in the bed in the next 10 minutes. But anyway, I have to get this video out. I must get this video out. And yeah, happy Mother's Day. I know it's late. I hope all the mothers enjoyed their day today. And we're going to jump straight into it. I'm going to try to flow through this, not run through it. I'm going to try to flow through this. But earnings for this week, no no outrageous names like the 2 weeks before, but we do have him and hers. I see D Wave, Archer, their report, GoPro. Let's see. Alibaba reports. Pretty cool. Let's see. Costco reports. Klarna reports. I think that's Klarna's first report, if I'm not mistaken. I could be very wrong. But Klarna definitely reports. Yeti reports. It's pretty cool. Yeti has a stock. I never really paid attention to it. Rumble. I didn't even know Rumble IPO'd. That's wild. But it's a lot of underrated stocks per se that reports this week. I'm gonna jump straight into the news. We do have some good news this week. Some economic news this week. Right off the bat, let's jump straight into a CPI month over month. I'm looking for this to be under forecast, but we shall see. Maybe next month it should be under forecast, but we shall see. PPI, so CPI and PPI, consumer price index and producer price index for April, and yeah, it's gonna be interesting. But I believe it's gonna really hit next month. So, well, it's gonna hit next month. What just I'm gonna remember what I said right now, and yeah. Also, retail sales on Thursday and core retail sales, yeah, regular Thursday and no news Friday. So yeah, CPI, PPI. So boom, I'm gonna jump straight into it, man. I'm not even gonna waste no time. I'm gonna go off the weekly right fast. Weekly on spot, something crazy. No, excuse me. Weekly on spot, something crazy. We see prices going higher, but if you look at the volume is declining. So definitely looking for a pullback. Also on the RSI, we are at almost the 70 on the RSI, which is overbought. So I'm expecting SPY to pull back a bit, possibly to 724, 714, possibly daily. Go to the daily. We're going higher. We broke this range. We went up, retested it, and we're just going higher. Possibly could have seen us up the daily, but we can always catch it again. We have a million stocks to trade from, but SPY's up right now. The daily is overbought. It's above the 8, above the 21. Really just looking for a pullback, just like on a day trading aspect or swing aspect, a 2-day swing or whatnot, 3-day swing or whatnot. 724, 724 pullback. And yeah, SPY just going crazy. Tech right now is crazy. Let me look at the sectors right now. Let me see. Yeah, tech is crazy right now. I'm gonna just go 3 months. Tech is up 18+% for the past 3 months. They did a whole 180 in a short amount of time. And then we have communication services and then energy. So tech is back in control. And I want to say a big reason is because of the earnings that dropped. So yeah. Oops. Y'all didn't see that. Y'all didn't see that. QQQ. I forgot. QQQ, right? Let me go to the weekly. QQQ was already overbought on the weekly. Crazy. But again, just like SPY, you look down here, the buyers, what is it? The volume for the bulls is declining, right? So I'm seeing that we could possibly pull back just a bit, a little breather, get some bears in, get some sales in, the buyers get some sales in, stuff like that. And we should go to around, I want it possibly 701, possibly 701, because it just green up in here. Let me go to the hourly. Just green up in here. We can go to 701. We go to 791. You know, but I say like the biggest level for me is 675. So 675, 701. I just have to. Right now. I'm just patiently looking at the tech sector, if that makes sense. Yeah, waiting for that pullback. I'm mad. Yes, I'm mad. I will say this again because I didn't catch this, and I knew I should have caught this. I should have at least put a fraction of a share. I didn't even put a share into like QQQM, right? So listen. I'm gonna catch a nice trade while Trump is in office. Trust me, I know it. Even when Trump get out of office, I'm gonna catch a nice one. But yeah, but anyway, that's what I got for QQQ. I mean, it's above all the EMAs. I mean, it's bullish. It's bullish. It's bullish. I don't know what it's up year to date. Let's see. Let's see what it's up year to date. Year to date, Qs are up 15%. I'm pretty sure SPY's up like 12, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, so far, so far. I'm gonna just go on a weekly, and I'm gonna pull this up as well. So far, right? So far is was once at the 30, which is a nice buy opportunity, which is $14. And just Friday, I was just scrolling through, just looking at stocks on TradingView, or looking at my watch list, just scrolling through, and I seen SoFi. I already have shares in SoFi, but now I'm looking to add more shares and possibly leaps, or leaps for sure, or like long dated, or long swing, if that makes sense. And SoFi looks good for long term, and let me tell you why. If I go to the daily, I can go to the daily right now. Three taps of support. One, mark it out. One, two, and three. Right, right. Boom. Three taps of support. I'm expecting possibly this to come down just a little bit and reclaim. What is it? 1640. Reclaim 1640 and go higher. So this is more so like of a long term trade, definitely, because SoFi is like crazy. Like, yes, they're down a bit, but like the past 3 years performance, I mean the past 5 years down a bit, but like their financials are there. The I like what SoFi is doing in a sense. I mean, you can get loans from SoFi, you can buy stocks from SoFi, and the list goes on. SoFi is trying to make it like a one stop shop for like financials, if that makes sense. And it's in a name. It's not SoFi Bank. It's SoFi Technology. So why not long the SoFi? But again, I am long SoFi. I believe SoFi can go higher. I'm not gonna lie. Let's look at RSI. RSI isn't terrible. Yes, we're down. We're definitely in a downtrend. I am aware of that. But look at this buy opportunity. And what is this? This was 14. This was 1540, and we are now at 1575. So we're not that far from where this 30, on the RSI was just at. So I definitely will be buying more shares off the open on SoFi. Off the open, not gonna lie. So my average cost isn't the best, but with this ad I'm gonna make it way better. I'm gonna make it way better than what it was. So, or where it's at now. But anyway, well, to the next stock, Tesla, right? Tesla. weekly. I'm just going to the RSI weekly. It has to come back, right? It has to come back. We made a high, higher low, high, and I'm expecting another higher low. So I'm expecting this to pull back a little bit. I'm expecting a retest of 414, 414. Expecting a retest of 414. Already have my alert set. And why? Why am I expecting this? I've been seeing this channel. It broke. It broke above, and I seen like it was basing around here, consolidating. And I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't really eyeing it, but now is where I would want it to be. And it's looking pretty decent. It's not looking terrible. But just a little patience, a little pullback, and we can get filled. Possibly go to if it retest 408, that'd be crazy. But I'm thinking like 414, probably kind of a little below 414. Let's see Tesla. Let me see. 417, 407. Crazy supported at 395. So yeah, crazy level around here. But again, 414 is my level on Tesla. And yeah, off the daily, it's going to be a little overbought. It's tapping right at being overbought. So I will be watching this. And lastly, how do you say this? Palo Alto Networks, right? Right? It's kind of a little underrated stock. It's up 12% year to date. Up 12% year to date. It's above the EMAs. It's a uptrend right now, and I'm expecting it to pull back a bit to at least 119. And I think I will get filled if I see like a nice higher low. Right? If I see a nice higher low, I want to get filled on this. This is a very, very decent stock. I know they do like network defense, if I'm not mistaken. Engages in provision of network security. So yes, they definitely do like network defense. So I'm long cybersecurity for sure. I'm long cybersecurity. This is one definitely to put in the back pocket. Not gonna lie, I'm going to be watching this. I'm going to set the alert. Right, boom, just set it. So yeah, I mean, tech is up right now. Tech is up crazy. I didn't set the alert. Tech is up crazy. And why wait, right? Because I already waited before, and I'm not gonna keep waiting. By level, create. Boom. Okay, cool. I was created. And yeah, pullback 119. We should be in the game. This is a nice stock. They don't even have terrible financial. Like their performance is way better than SoFi. Let's be real. The performance crazy. 3-year performance up like 117%. Year to date performance it's right here in my face. Up 12%. So it's looking good for tech as of right now. I mean, just look at the SMH. Just look at the SMH. SMH is crazy. SMH is crazy. Overbought daily. I'm pretty sure it's overbought weekly as well. Just like wow, right? Wow. So tech is going crazy. And yeah, I mean, we gonna get money. And just gonna, keep standing down. I'm gonna keep being at it. I'm just going a little hard as well. Write some stuff down, back test more. And yeah, we lit. We good. We Gucci in the Louis store. You feel me? Straight like that. Click.